My friends, welcome back to another episode of English Unleashed. I'm Tom, and today I want to talk to you about something very important, something that stops millions of English learners every single day. It is the idea that you must wait for perfect English before you start speaking. Many learners wait and wait and wait. They wait for confidence. They wait for the right words. They wait for the perfect accent. They wait for the perfect moment. But the truth is simple and powerful. That perfect moment will never come. You become confident only when you start speaking. English grows only when you use it. So today, I want to help you stop waiting and start speaking. I want to help you understand that your English does not need to be perfect. You do not need advanced vocabulary. You do not need a perfect accent. You do not need to speak like a native. You only need one thing: the courage to begin. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Open your mind. Today, I will talk to you like a friend, like a teacher, like someone who truly understands your struggles. And as you listen, you will feel something change inside you. You will feel a new belief, a new energy, a new freedom with English. Because the truth is, your fluency starts the moment you stop waiting. Maybe you know this feeling. You want to speak English. You have a chance to speak. Someone asks you a question, you open your mouth, and nothing comes out. Your mind becomes quiet. Your tongue becomes heavy. Your confidence disappears. You think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if my accent sounds bad? Or what if they laugh at me? And so you stay silent. You smile. You nod. You pretend you understand. And later, you feel sad. You feel angry with yourself. You feel like you missed a chance. But my friend, let me tell you something honestly. Every English speaker you admire started exactly where you are now. They did not begin with perfect English. They began with small words, simple sentences, many mistakes, and a lot of courage. They grew because they used English, not because they waited. English is like a muscle. If you never use it, it becomes weak. If you use it even a little every day, it becomes strong. Your tongue learns the movement. Your mouth learns the sounds. Your brain learns the patterns. Your ears learn the rhythm. But none of this happens if you only study silently. None of this happens if you only watch videos but never speak. None of this happens if you wait for perfection. And I know what you might be thinking right now. You might think, but Tom, I am shy. I am not confident. I am scared. And that is okay. Being afraid is normal. Every learner feels fear. Every learner feels nervous. But fear is not the problem. The problem is waiting for the fear to disappear. It won't. Fear only disappears when you move through it. Confidence comes after action, not before action. Think of a child learning to speak. A child does not wait for perfect grammar. A child does not wait for a perfect accent. A child does not think, oh, I should study vocabulary first. No, a child simply begins. They use what they know. They copy sounds. They try. They laugh. They make thousands of mistakes. And that is why they learn so fast. Adults learn slowly not because they are slow, not because their brain is old, but because adults are afraid of mistakes. Adults want perfection. Adults want control. Adults want to protect themselves. But my friend, the price of protection is slow progress. So today, I want to help you speak like a child again. Not childish English, but a child's courage, a child's freedom, a child's joy. English is not only in your books or your vocabulary lists. English is not only in your grammar rules. English lives in your mouth, in your voice, in your breath, in your courage. Let me ask you something. How many sentences do you speak in English every day? 1, 2, 0? How can a skill grow if you never use it? Imagine someone wants to learn swimming. They watch videos about swimming, they read books about swimming, they study the theory of swimming, but they never touch the water. Will they learn? No. The same is true with English. You learn English by doing English. Maybe you feel embarrassed when you speak. Maybe you think your pronunciation is bad. Maybe you think your grammar is not good enough. But my friend, let me tell you something that can change your life. Your mistakes are not your enemy. Your silence is your enemy. Mistakes help your brain grow. Mistakes show you what to learn next. Mistakes are signs of progress. But silence freezes your growth. Silence keeps you stuck. Silence tells your brain, this language is dangerous. Let's change that message today. Let's teach your brain that English is safe. English is fun. English is yours. Let me guide you through something simple. I want you to speak with me right now. Yes, out loud. Don't worry if someone hears you. Don't worry if you feel silly. Just speak. Repeat after me. I don't need perfect English to begin. My English grows when I use it. I learn by speaking. I am not afraid. I can try. I can speak. I can begin today. How do you feel now? Lighter? Calm? A little stronger? Good. Keep that feeling with you. Every time your fear appears, speak these sentences again. You are training your inner voice. You are teaching your mind a new story. Now, let me talk about another idea. Many learners think that speaking means speaking long, complex sentences. No, you can start simple. You can say short sentences. Simple English is powerful. Simple English is clear. Simple English is used by millions. You don't need big words. You only need real words, good words, everyday words. Let me give you examples. Instead of, I would like to inquire about the availability of a product, just say, do you have this? Instead of, I am experiencing difficulty in understanding, say, I don't understand. This is English, real English, useful English. Don't wait for fancy vocabulary. Start with the words you already know. Now let's talk about daily speaking. Even if you have no one to speak with, you can still practice. You can speak to yourself. You can shadow videos. You can describe your day aloud. You can think in English. You can talk to your phone. You can record your voice. All of this counts as speaking. All of this trains your brain. Here is a simple daily exercise. It takes only 5 minutes. Look around your room. Choose one object. Maybe it is a cup. Maybe it is a pen. Maybe it is your phone. Now, talk about it in English. Say, this is my phone. I use it every day. I check messages. I watch videos. I call my family. That's it. Simple, easy, useful. Do this every day with a new object. You will see your English grow. Let me tell you a story. I once taught a man who wanted to speak English for many years, but he never tried because he felt shy. One day I told him, just say one sentence every day. And he did. One sentence became 2 sentences. 2 sentences became 3. After 1 month, he could speak in small conversations. Not perfect, but real. After 6 months, he could speak comfortably. And after 1 year, he could speak confidently with native speakers. He did not learn because he studied grammar. He learned because he started. He learned because he used English. He learned because he did not wait. And you can do the same. Another idea I want to share with you is this. Fluency comes from repetition, not perfection. If you repeat a sentence 20 times, it becomes yours. Your brain builds a path. Your mouth learns the movement. Your tongue learns the sound. You can speak that sentence without thinking. That is fluency. And you can build fluency with simple daily practice. Let's try something right now. Repeat this sentence with me 3 times. I can start small. I can start small. I can start Small. Good. Now, repeat this. Small steps become big progress. Small steps become big progress. Small steps become big progress. You are not only practicing English, you are changing your mind. My friend, the world doesn't need your perfect English. The world needs your real English, your real voice, your real message, your real effort. Perfection is a dream. Progress is real. And progress happens when you begin. You might also think, Tom, people might judge me. But listen carefully. People don't think about your English as much as you think. Most people are kind. Most people understand. Many people also learned English as a second language. Many people admire your courage. And even if one person